Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Garmin watch to Strava app. Now make sure to download both of these applications, Strava and Garmin or Connect. So just download it, just make sure to log in with your account, and first of all open the application Connect, which is by the Garmin, and there's like the loading, so let it load, and after that you will be seeing a home interface of the Garmin Connect app. So from here what you can do is just click on the more option on the most right side, and from here just click on the settings, and once you go into the settings, so you will be seeing these interface. So from this section what you can do is just click on this option called connected apps, and once you click on connected apps, so as you can see available apps: Apple Health, Microsoft Office, like My Fitness, and the last one is Strava. Just click on the application called Strava, and once you click on Strava, as you can see, just scroll down and click on agree, and once you click on agree, just click on open, and make sure to log in your Strava account as well. And once you're on this page, as you can see, authorize Garmin Connect to connect to Strava. So you can just click on authorize, and once clicked, you will be redirected to the Garmin app. And now, as you can see, connected apps Strava. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.